All right. Snugging the bolts down. We got a little bit of silicone on it. You see how they kind of squeezed out just a little bit. That's like a perfect amount right there. Perfect amount. Now the boss is coming out here and annoy us. Like typical micromanaging boss. I mean, just kidding. Love the guy. You went... You were in the pooper like half an hour ago.
I know.
Don't push on the car, please.
Basking in the afterglow.
Don't push on the car. Thank you. Your arms is grimy. You better not be touching them.
No, I'm clean.
See?
I've been doing video and billing all day.
Okay, see? Nice and snug. Like a glove. And we'll put those tools away.
No love?
No glove, no love, man. We don't need like 30 more kids. But anyways. So yep, that's on. And valve cover's nice and tight. Brackets bolted back on. We'll put the upper hose back on. See, the boss is trying to cut me off. He wants to say something dirty, joking, whatever. What's up?
I was just going to say, speaking of kids, do you think either of us have kids we don't know about?
I don't want to think about that. Anyways.
You know what that sounds like? Expensive.
Yeah. No, I don't have any kids out there. There was only one possibility, but I think people were just talking shit.
Oh, I have plug wires for you.
Yay! We can put plug wires on.
Timmy, by my desk there's a Duralast box.
Timmy.
Timmy.
But yeah, I'm just gonna put the upper hose back on, tighten the peacock on the bottom. Not cock.
Scotty likes to pet cock.
I didn't say one word, did I?
That's why I said peacock, because I knew he was gonna say something about
it's actually
what he likes.
Pep. P-E-P.
No,
yeah,
it's pet. If you look, it's
No,
pet.
I'm not gonna pet your cock, but I'll
See?
pet cock.
See what happens, guys? I was trying to be serious over here, because we're talking about Mopars here. But these guys come over and just start.
This is John's car. He loves our
I know.
banter.
I'm playing.
Well, I think you're a little bit more than banter.
Wait, what?
Just saying.
What happened?
Oh, what?
For homie doggy biscuits?
We're doing Scooby snacks again.
Ooh,
Klondike dog? Wow.
A Klondike dog? What? Wait a minute. Where are you going?
All right, guys. Well, I'll get you another clip here in a little bit when wires start going on and the upper hose and coolant.
Timmy, you got the wires?
Yes, sir.
You got the...
They're nice and orange, too.
They came. Ooh, they got the right color tips. Thank God.
Ooh.
They're the right tits. I mean, tips. So, set them up on the bed. Longest and shortest. Thank you.
The tits on the bed? That's where you play
All right.
them, right?
Well, that's 3 minutes of joking around. That's enough for right now. Bye, guys.